Surah 81, At-Takwir, the folding up. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. When the sun shall be folded up, when the stars shall scatter away, when the mountains shall be set in motion, when the 10 months pregnant camels shall be abandoned, when the savage beasts shall be brought together, when the seas shall be set boiling, when the souls shall be rejoined with their body, and when the girl child buried alive shall be asked, for what offense was she killed? And when the scrolls of men's deeds shall be unfolded, and when heaven is laid bare, and hell is stoked, and paradise brought nigh, then shall each person know what he has brought along. No, indeed, I swear by the alternating stars that hide, and by the night as it recedes, and the morn as it breeds. Verily, this is the word of a noble message-bearer, one mighty and held in honor with the Lord of the throne. There he is obeyed and held trustworthy. O people of Makkah, your companion is not mad. He indeed saw the message-bearer on the clear horizon, nor does he grudge conveying this knowledge about the unseen. Nor is it a word of an accursed Satan. Whereto are you then heading? It is nothing but good counsel for everyone in the world, for every one of you who wishes to follow the straight way. But your wishing will not avail unless Allah, the Lord of the universe, so wishes.